You know, it's just early in the morning and I just got up. But guess what, dog? I'm about to pop back up like the motherfucking money and stuff that I made last night. Man, the shit was alright. Motherfuckers coming left and right. I don't know which way to turn. Nigga, I just got money to burn. The lessons for niggas to learn. Fuck with mine, and nigga, that's your time for sure. And I ain't playing the game. I spraying these lanes. Dog, I got guns, I don't have to aim. Look, it's a low down dirty shame the way that you bad. The way you walk around this bitch acting too bad. But you know that you mad. Because a nigga like me getting his cash and I do it easy, I got the bag. Nigga, my homies getting bread too. Nigga, don't give a fuck, dog, cause they can get dead too. Nigga, I'm a shiesty individual and cold like the refrigerator. Understand, I'm not a player hater. Nigga, I'm just a Gatorader. I keep going. Nigga, I'm athletic with it. The money blowing like a windstorm. Understand, Ben? Nigga, I ain't playing children of the corn. I was a sick child, and in the meanwhile, I got a little older, and nigga, my style got a little worse. It's like a gift and curse. Nigga, I'm nice with these rhymes, but I know I hurt people's feelings when my rhymes burst on the motherfucking mic, and they see that they can't twerk. The shit that I do. Nigga, you ain't like me, cause you ain't been what I'm through. Nigga, figure it out. Riddle me this. Bitch, I riddle the K, and then I leave your pics in your pants with a little bit of shit, you understand? Damn, this nigga Rick and Mortis, when I jump on this mic, think you niggas just tortoise. Your turtle money slow, dog, and I'm straight ordering. I'm ordering, like the motherfucking show, but I ain't got clothes and junk, this shit is dope. Nigga, and it's crowded, surrounding me. It's all on the ground, dog, and around the G. Nigga, I throw it to a hoe because it's nothing to a boss. I know that money and blow that money, then I get the cost. Nigga, I paid it, dog, I'm living in the law. I got secret cribs, nigga, yeah, what you thought? Nigga, I had to buy the shit that I done bought. And nobody ain't teach me shit, even though I'm taught. Nigga, you got to figure out this food for thought. Dishes too, do them bitches before you get whooped, nigga. And my shit is the grimiest. Nigga, yeah, call me the slimiest. Bitch, but Ghostbusters can't take me out. I'm a Detroit veteran, sitting on the couch, waiting on the first call. Spend another C note, nigga, he hope that it's adding to the racks. The shit, nigga, I be coming back and copping in the lack. I'm riding down 7 Mile, nigga, back to back. It's some east side shit, but I'm going to the west to pick up another brick. Whoa, man, this shit is just a flow. So all your feds and alphabet boys just for show. Nigga, yeah, just to let you know, entertainment purpose only. So don't try to come above all my fucking homies. You know what I'm saying? Trying to come with papers, indicting and shit. Nigga, I know that you haters. It's a recession, but we still moving with aggression. Nobody stressing. Nigga, yeah, that's a lesson for you niggas to know that when the pressure is on, these niggas get strong, dog. You should look at my arms. My shit is muscle. I don't tussle with niggas. They size me up and see that they can't fuck with me, and that's what's up. Bitch.